Hello guys and welcome back to this week's episode at Lazi-Low Collectibles, and today we have an early Lesney grey wheel Matchbox Commer pickup on the turntable for this week's restoration. So off the roundabout, let's take a closer look what we have. This is a Commer pickup Mach 8 made in England by Lesney, and the number is 50. Pretty worn, chipped, not much paint left, but pretty simple. So in this Friday, I'm going to restore this one. Shouldn't be too difficult, and it should be quite quick. That's why I picked this one. I would like to make a couple of quick videos as soon as I'm going to the market, so I will not have time to do the restorations. So that's one rivet post. I will drill that out and I will take the car apart, but there's no interior, no windscreen on this one. So that's an early model, grey wheels, so early 60s. So I will drill this apart in a minute and I'll come back and show you how does it look inside. So it's just one rivet, and I think this will do. And if I can put this in here, I think it should come apart very easy. If I can slide this in here, yeah, that's pretty easy. And there is a hook in there, a pin. So you lift this up and then you pull that out. And the casting is pretty simple, nothing extra really. So that's one piece. And I've got the base plate. I will remove the tires and the axles. And that's it really. Paint stripper. I will come back with the details. This is also quite a short video because obviously, again, in this one as well as my previous video, there is no windscreen and no interior. Well, anyway, I've done the detailings on this one, and I also put the tires and axles back on the base. I resprayed these wheels, they are the plastic ones. So I will put this together. Looks like it's gonna be a tight fit. I think it's the paint, but it clicked, so I may not need to put glue, but I think I will put a little bit glue in there anyway. And I'll put this on the turntable and I'll come back with the finishing of the video. This is our Matchbox Commer pickup before restoration. As you can see, a lot of paint's missing. Otherwise, the car is in a good nick, no structural problems. And this is our Commer pickup after restoration. I think I am quite close to the original color. I've done a little bit detailing, not too much, and I also refurbished the tires and the base plate, which you don't see yet, but you will, and added a little extra on the car. So I think it looks fantastic, really close to the original color, and this will be also a nice addition. So I hope the little Matchbox Commer pickup satisfied you on the turntable. I think it looks really good. I think it's matching the original color at some point. This is like a beige color. I really like this one. I was thinking what color to put on this, but I think I'm glad I went for this one. It looks pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and if yes, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It's still free. I just need to click that subscribe button. And also please leave comments down below. What do you think of this restoration or any of my other restorations? Thank you for watching this episode, guys. Thank you for all my old and new subscribers to stick with the channel. So have a great weekend, guys, and come back next Friday. If you press that subscribe button, you will always notify when I have a new video. So cheers, guys. Take care and bye-bye now.